So hey there everyone, this is me Siri here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a table decorative or a table mat or anything, how wherever you could stick it. It's a magical wand. Abracadabra. No, it isn't a magical wand. Just if we pull it, it would be so beautiful. It's kind of like a time saver too. Whenever you want to decorate your room or somewhere, it's quite simple to make it. Just keep 10 minutes and make this. That's it. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna keep this here. It's kind of good if we keep it as a decorator here. I'm playing with it from lot of time from that time. Think here. No, I'm gonna throw that. Wait till the end. Yeah, this is the funny thing. This is the end. Yeah, we need 2 sheets of paper here. You can use dual color or a single color too. It's fine. Whatever color, it's your wish. Fevicol, some glue, any glue. It's fine. Next one, scissors. It's a magical wand in craft. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, so let's get started. So fold that A4 sheet into a square sheet of paper. Okay, yeah, now you need to fold it into a square paper. Okay, fine, fold it nicely. Just remove the excess of the down one. We have a square sheet. Like, I don't tell any measurements, just do a square sheet, rectangle sheet, that's it. I don't give any centimeters. It should be 20 centimeters, 100 centimeters or something else. Okay, now just open it. Tada, we have a square paper. We need to do another also like this. Yeah, fold that. Yeah, cut that excess off. Yeah, that's it. Here we go. We have a square paper. Now we need to make a zigzag thing like a fan. Okay, like a paper fan. Okay, you just fold it and fold it. You get that? Don't waste that paper. You could use for any craft. Yeah, now let's get started. Fold this piece of paper here. No, just kidding. Yeah, you could use that zigzag thing, or you could do like this. I thought to do like other YouTubers, other YouTube crafters or someone else, like they do like that. I thought to try it, how it would be. But the next one, if I when I did that, it was like I did with a zigzag thing only. I did in that method because it was like time taking for me. It took a minute, 2 minutes to do it. Not 2 minutes, it took 5 minutes, I think. So I made it little faster. Yeah, fold that. Here. Fold it here, fold that there. Fold it. Here a fold, there a fold. That's it. Ta-da! Here we go. We have that. But I thought to make it little more chota, little detailed. Okay. Fold that. Fold this. Fold that. Fold it. Okay, that's it. Okay, done. I think our zigzag is done. That part I didn't do because it would be easy to do that much, I thought, and didn't do. It's quite, just fold that, fold here, yeah, fold here, fold this part, fold that part, like this. I am telling you, this is the better method. Like, just do it without folding that, folding this, just do it. Like, both should be in the same measurement that folding part should be in. If it is different, it would not look good. I think I have that left over. I need to cut that. Yeah, let's cut it. Cut it neatly, cut it neatly. Yeah, if we cut it like badly, it doesn't look great. Cut that. I made another two, guys. I didn't take that. I didn't shoot that. I made it. Yeah, here we go. Hearts ready. See? Tada, here we go. We have two of them. Yeah, fold that. Yeah. Now we need to cut this part. Okay. Oh, I forgot one ingredient. It's tape. I'm sorry to tell you now. Now let's fold this again. Like this, just normally. That's it. Now you hold that and press it nicely. That time what happens is those will be like nicely even. You keep any weight on it and press it, like keep your strength. I'm using my glasses box here. Here you go. We have ours. Here you go. We have this too. Yeah. Now later, what to do is fold that part here. Equally it should be, okay? You got that line. You just cut there, okay? Evenly, it should be straight. Here you go. You have two of them. Ta-da. Now just do the another one like that. Did you think I just do two and tell you? No, we should do just with two papers. That's what I'm telling you. Now just fold that and take that corner, hold it, take some tape here, keep that aside. Okay, keep aside somewhere which is better to keep. Okay, then what to do is take that tape, keep it that side somewhere else. Just fold once, not twice, just once. It went somewhere. Now take that tape and keep that, press that nicely and keep back side. That's it. Here you go. We have our first one ready. Like, they look super great when it was done. I sticked it on my bed. It's too good, I'm telling you. I loved it. Wow, fold that, fold this. Ta-da! Here you go, you have to make that like four of them. Still one is left. Just keep there. That's it. Don't keep a lot of tape, it would be bad to look. Just keep a little bit. Fold that, fold here. Just take that tape here, press it. That's it. Here we go. Just pull those nicely now. Pull them. Now just take the. Now take that and stick it with one more color. Don't stick it like that, I'm telling you. Just take it opposite of it, like here and here. You see some pizza slices. One should be here, one should be there. It doesn't look like pizza slices only. It should look like opposite. Oh my god, it came out. We need to stick still more tape. I think so. I didn't add a lot. Think so. Here we go. Now I think it's better. 12 that side. Press this. Add some Fevicol that part. Think I thought to use like a whitener. I think my Fevicol is blocked there. Why I don't understand why it is blocked. Yeah, now it is coming. Yeah, press that. Yeah, here you go. Just press that. If you want, you could add some rubber bands, but for me, I think my fingers are enough. Yeah, now let's do the another one. Yep. Now take another one. You keep opposite, not that side, like this. Okay, it should be opposite. Yeah, press that up. Some glue come out. Yeah, press this part. Tada, still one is left. That's it. Ours will be done. Yes, ours is done. It's getting finished. Here you go. Here we have another. Now just stick that up. Yeah, just take some glue. I think that glue is blocked. Think I need to change that glue. Yeah, put here, put there. That's it. Here we go. We have the decorative. Just press it. Add a lot of glue. That time only our thing will stick. Don't add how much you add for slime. Just add a little bit. That's it. Here you go. Ours is done. You could stick it on your wall too. But for me, it's fine on my table. But I sticked it on my bed now. It's so cute and I love it. Wow. How nice it is. It's like seashells. Yeah. If you want to stick it on your room, like for any birthday parties, it looks great. Like, I'm gonna clean myself with tissue paper here. Yeah. Now we are gonna cut my old first which I made and now which I made. This first one which I made was so big, like I used 3 papers for it. That's why it looks super big. But that doesn't looks little, that is chota. If you want, you could make it still more bigger. But for me, the size is enough. I made it little more bigger. That which I made now, it's little taller now. I added still 4. Yeah, okay, bye.